Ganda mathoth sani koro to yangore ni okosebedo ka kungo kata kano omenda ne ngimagi makiny. Maeri en wach mabiro osebedi ka igoyo mbaka koraka kembe mopogore opogore to ahinya ka kambino mar RBA mabende en achiel kuom kembe go eko makoro osebedo ka chiwo hola ne oganda. Awi kanyo koda jafwambo marwa Nile Chieng madhi chiwonwa ler mano bang' timo nonro matut mar fwenyo ni to en ang'o maduong' momiyo oganda mathoth okosebedo ka kungo ne ngimagi makiny.
As the first rays of sunlight break over Kisumu, the city's informal workforce is already in motion. Boda riders rev their engines, market traders arrange their stalls, and casual laborers gather in search of work. They are the backbone of the Kenyan's economy, keeping towns and cities alive through their daily hustle. Yet, behind their resilience lies a silent crisis. Many are growing old with no pension, no savings, and no clear path to retirement. For millions of informal workers, the future is not a time to look forward to. It is a source of uncertainty and fear. At just 30 years old, Wendy Kongo carries the weight of raising 5 children on her shoulders. The single mother once worked at a hotel, earning only 200 shillings a day, but the harsh economic realities pushed her to leave the hospitality sector to construction work, commonly known as mjengo, where she now earns about 500 shillings daily. Despite the increase in income, Wendy says the money is barely enough to sustain her family, from putting food on the table to paying school fees and meeting basic household needs. Every coin has a purpose. Having worked in the construction sector for the last 1 year, Wendy admits she has not been able to save anything for the future or retirement.
Kwa sasa hivi niko kwa hii kazi ya mjengo. Hii kazi ya mjengo niliingia kutoka March mpaka sasa hivi. So hii kazi ya mjengo naweza sema iko na changamoto fulani, kwa sababu tunaweza kuja tupate, saa zingine tunakosa, saa zingine tunaweza fanya kama kwa wiki ufanye mara 2 ama mara 3. Ile pesa ambayo unapata ikifika mwisho wa kupata pesa, wakati wa kupata pesa unapata pesa umepata, lakini ni pesa kidogo, maybe upate 1500 kwa sababu ulifanya siku 3. Hizo siku zingine haujapata. So hauwezi ukamanage hiyo pesa, kwa sababu kama mimi ni mama wa watoto 5. Hiyo pesa siwezi nikaavoid kuweka chakula kwa nyumba. Hii kazi ya mjengo niliingia kwa sababu mwanzo kabla nikufike hapa niliingia nikitoka kwa hoteli. Kutoka pale kwa hoteli nilikuwa nafanyia 200. So nilikimbia kwa sababu ile pesa ilikuwa kidogo sana. So wakati niliingia hapa nikapata wanalipisha 500. Nikasema wacha niingie kwa hii kazi. Sasa hata nikiingia kwa hii kazi bado tuko tuna changamoto, kwa sababu kiwa na watoto 5 kwa nyumba na mimi ni mzazi peke yangu. Mimi ni single mother. Yeah. Hatuwezi tukapata vile tunaweza jisaidia. Hiyo inatusaidia kutoka kwa kuombaomba kwa watu, kushindia kwa majirani. Sijawahi save kwa sababu nimekuambia unaweza pata kwa wiki, unaweza fanya mara 3 ama mara 2, na ukipata kama ni 1500 pale kwa nyumba hauna chochote, na wewe ndio mzazi peke yako na uko na watoto 5 already. Uwezi ukamanage kupiga budget na ile 1500 na upate tena ingine ya kusave. Wale watoto ni wa kuenda shule na mmoja tu ndiye aendi shule, kwa hivyo ni 4 ndio wanaenda. Sasa ile ya kusave inakosekana.
Her story reflects the struggle of many informal workers in Kenya who live from hand to mouth with little or no savings set aside for old age or financial security. For 15 years, Joseph has navigated Kenya's dusty roads and busy streets on a boda, chasing passengers from dawn to dusk in search of better life. But behind the constant movement lies a painful reality. Survival has become harder than ever. Joseph says the boda sector, once seen as a lifeline for unemployed youth, is now overcrowded as thousands of Kenyans continue to flood the industry due to lack of jobs.
But chon nwa nyalo kungo but sani tek kaluwore ni ohala mar pikipiki mar boda ni ji mang'eny odonje nikech tich onge oko kacha, koro ng'ata ma fel nonego ti to neno boda e wang', koro ji odonje mang'eny, pikipiki ng'eny ma customers mane warito e bases wa kaka car wash ka sani ka giwuok e dhoudi to dhode kanyo nitie base mar pikipiki, koro mondo wanwang' tich koni maber tich odok piny, koro miyo kungo tek. Sani pesa mwanwang'o en kisechulo ot sichiemo to manyalo dong' ok inyalo kungo maber manyalo konyi kiny kaka kore we boda.
On a good day, Joseph manages to provide his family, but saving for the future remains a distant dream. He says every shilling earned is consumed by fuel cost, daily expenses, rent, food, and school fees. Though he has heard about pension schemes and the importance of saving for retirement, Joseph says reality on the ground leaves him with nothing extra to set aside.
Magata sewinjo mag jo oganda mondo kungi asewinjo mang'eny kendo awinjo gi pile, but gitemo jiwa mondo wakungi to gima nyalo kungo no ema pod onge nikech kaluwore gi kaka tich chalo, tich mar boda ni piny sani watema ka dhano ni koro kik wabed ni wa idle seche te, wanwang' gima nyalo timo daily.
As the years go by, one fear continues to haunt him, growing old without financial security.
Luoro mang'eny nikech sani kaka an nyathina maduong' onego bed dhi university to an gi parruok mang'eny nikech kako dhi donjo pod akia, pesa tin, kendo kang'iyo ni to koro kiny ka awe tich boda ni to biro bedo nade, tanong' ka tich bedo matek ma kungo manyalo konyo kiny aneno ka tin. Miya luoro mang'eny nikech debed ni tijni nyalo yawore kata debed ni inyalo yaw gik moko mang'eny ma ji donje ma pikipiki kata ka joma odong' e pikipiki dong' matin to ginyalo gima gikungo ma kiny kong'iewo kata dhoge moko kata diege moko kata pidho gwende moko to nyalo chako biashara moro mopogore gi mar boda chien kacha ka koro wuok e boda ka onyalo konye for future.
And as the conversation of retirement saving continues, Wendy returns to the construction site carrying not only building stones but also the heavy responsibility of raising 5 children and hoping for the better tomorrow. For now, survival remains her daily priority, but deep inside, she still dreams of a future where hard work can one day guarantee dignity, security, and peace in old age. Reporting for Color TV, the county of Kisumu, I am Nelly Achieng'.